Welcome to the enchanted island of Siquijor. Siquijor is known for its reputation of sorcery and healing, and we tried one of the ritual this island is famous for.
So Siquijor is known for its traditional healing rituals. One of it is the Bolo Bolo. So let's see how it is done. Come on.
Bolo Bolo, a ritual and healing practice known to this island.
Ang bulo-bulo ay cleansing sa isang tao, sa isang lawa, sa katawan ng tao. Pag mayroong masasamang mga bad energy, lumalabas, tumatransfer sa tubig.
It uses a black stone immersed in the clean water inside a plastic container and blown by a bagakay or a bamboo straw while the healer moves the container over the patient. Here's the process. First, the material used for the Bolo Bolo, especially the water, bagakay, and the black stone is prepared. Then, the healer anoints me with his special oil in preparation for the Bolo Bolo. Next, the healer submerges its bagakay straw to the container with the water and black stone and starts the ritual. The healer, while blowing, places the container around my body to cleanse me as part of the ritual. After the first part, the healer showed me what they got from my body through the water. The water is clear from the start, but after the process, black spots or floaters will appear, or in other cases, the water will turn darker. If that's the case, then the water is thrown away, replenished, and the ritual is repeated until the water appears clear, which means the bad stuff is removed from your body. After the ritual, they told me what my ailments are. Then, to finish it off, I asked Ate Florida for a back massage. Then finally, they gave me a suob to cleanse me further. Process is done.
Naghihilot ako to 15 years old, starting 15 years old, traditional hilot. pag-aral sa TESDA sa massage therapy 2021. At saka yung pag-healer ko sa lolo at sa papa ko natutunan. Ako po yung nagkukolekta ng mga herbal, 215 kinds of herbs ang kinukolekta ko during Holy Week. Sige, kung sino man ang gusto magpagamot sa akin, pupunta lang kayo sa San Antonio Siquijor. Nandito lang ang pangalan ko, Florida Malikay.
Again, next time you visit Siquijor, try its traditional hilot and the bolo-bolo ritual.